You thought you were waiting for the 2026 Ferrari 812, but surprise! The prancing horse just rebranded its legend. Meet the Ferrari 12Cilindri, the true successor to the iconic 812 Superfast, and one of the last bastions of pure, naturally aspirated V12 fury. Let's dive into what makes this car so special, and why even if you ordered a 2026 812, you might be getting something even better. The Ferrari 812 Superfast was more than just a name. It was a statement. With over 789 horsepower from its screaming 6.5-liter V12, it could hit 211 miles per hour and rocket from 0 to 62 in just 2.9 seconds. It was raw, powerful, and absolutely unapologetic. But all great things must evolve, and Ferrari had something bigger in mind. Say hello to the Ferrari 12Cilindri, literally translating to 12 cylinders. This isn't just a new name. It's a bold declaration that Ferrari is proud to keep the V12 flame alive and burning hotter than ever. Unveiled in May 2024, this car replaces the 812 Superfast as the pinnacle of front-engine Ferrari performance. And while the 812 was still available through early 2024, new orders are now booking through 2026, with deliveries expected to start in early 2027. So if you're seeing 2026 Ferrari 812 floating around online, chances are high that's actually referencing the 12Cilindri, the new face of Ferrari's flagship GT. At the heart of the 12Cilindri is the same glorious 6.5-liter naturally aspirated V12 found in the 812 Competizione, now tuned to deliver a jaw-dropping 819 horsepower. That's not a typo. 819! It screams all the way to 9,500 RPM, delivering a symphony of mechanical perfection. And despite industry trends leaning toward hybrids and electric powertrains, Ferrari chose purity, and we couldn't be happier. Performance? It goes like this. 0 to 62 miles per hour in 2.9 seconds. 0 to 124 miles per hour in just 7.9 seconds. Top speed over 211 miles per hour. This isn't just fast, it's unreal. And remember, this is a naturally aspirated engine doing all the work. The 12Cilindri looks like it belongs in a gallery or on a racetrack. Its design is less aggressive than the 812, with smoother lines and a more refined silhouette. Inspired by classic Ferraris like the Daytona 365 GTB4, it blends retro elegance with modern aerodynamics. The result? A car that turns heads without shouting about it. And if you want open-air thrills, there's also the Spider variant, complete with a retractable hardtop and the same spine-tingling soundtrack. Inside, the 12Cilindri is a technological leap forward. Say goodbye to analog clutter and hello to a driver-centric cockpit featuring 3 digital displays, including a fully configurable instrument cluster and a central infotainment screen. The interior is luxurious yet performance-oriented, wrapped in fine leather and Alcantara, with options for carbon fiber and exposed stitching. Underneath, it rides on a shorter wheelbase than the 812, with rear-wheel steering, active aerodynamics, and an 8-speed dual-clutch transmission, borrowed from the SF90 Stradale, ensuring every corner is carved with precision. In an age where electrification dominates headlines, the 12 stands tall as a tribute to internal combustion at its finest. It's possible that this will be one of the last naturally aspirated V12 supercars we see from Ferrari, or any manufacturer, for a long time. That makes it not just a machine, but a moment in time. A celebration of engineering, artistry, and passion. So, no, there won't be a 2026 Ferrari 812. But what you're getting instead is something even more exciting. The Ferrari 12Cilindri, a car that honors the past while charging boldly into the future, with a V12 scream echoing all the way. If you've got deep pockets and a love for the sound of perfection, your waitlist starts now. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss the latest from the world of supercars. See you next time!